Good morning, you are listening Shalini Singh, your news anchor from Laufara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 24th June from around the world. People testing COVID positive through rapid antigen method will be examined on site. People who test COVID-19 positive by the rapid antigen method will be examined by a medical officer at the testing site to assess the severity of illness. According to a standard operating procedure issued by the Delhi Health Department on Monday night. It also said the assessment made by the medical officers are effectively continued as the assessment made at the COVID care center. TMC hits out at PM Modi for not including Bengal in job scheme for migrant workers, iterating that the center was apathetic to plight of the poor in West Bengal. The ruling TMC on Monday sought an explanation from Prime Minister Narendra Modi for not including the state in Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan, a job scheme for migrant labourers. The BJP leaders, however, responded that the state was excluded as the TMC government in the past had opted out of two major central schemes, PM Kisan Samman Nidhi and Ayushman Bharat. Symbolic Rath Yatra at Lord Jagannath Temple. A symbolic Rath Yatra was organized in the Lord Jagannath Temple premises on Tuesday, after the Gujarat High Court rejected the state government's plea to carry out public procession. For the first time in 143 years, this world-renowned event was held without the accompaniment of troops, tablets, and public participations in view of the coronavirus outbreak. Government to expedite work on 32 road projects along border with China official. Amid the continuing standoff between the Indian Army and Chinese PLA, the center on Monday reviewed ongoing road projects along the Sino-Indian border and decided to expedite work on 32 of them, officials said. The decision was taken at a high-level meeting convened by the Ministry of Home Affairs and attended by the Central Public Works Department, Border Roads Organization and the Indo-Tibetan Border Police, among others. Mismanagement, wrong policies by center causing crisis in nation, said Sonia Gandhi at CWC. Congress interim President Sonia Gandhi on Tuesday chaired a meeting of the Congress Working Committee via video conference on the situation along the line of actual control and the coronavirus pandemic and said the country is in a crisis due to the mismanagement of the BJP-led government and the wrong policies pursued by it. India has been hit by a terrible economic crisis, a pandemic of huge population, and now by a full-blown crisis on the borders with China. Rush defense supplies India to tell Russia and crisis. India is said to ask Russia to fast-track contracted weapon system as well as urgently rush critical spares for its fighter planes, main battle tanks, and submarines amid the ongoing troop confrontation with China in eastern Ladakh. COVID-19 Indian pilgrims will not travel to Saudi Arabia for Hajj 2020, says Naqvi. The government has decided that Muslims from India will not travel to Saudi Arabia for Hajj 2020 after the kingdom conveyed that pilgrims should not be sent this year in the wake of coronavirus pandemic. Minority of Affairs Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi said on Tuesday. Government says 1,340 made in India ventilators delivered to states. Nearly 3,000 of the 50,000 made in India ventilators sanctioned under PM CARES Fund to help COVID-19 patients have been manufactured and over 1,300 have been delivered to various states, an official statement said on Tuesday. On May 14, the PM CARES Fund Trust had decided to allocate rupees 3,100 crore for the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic, and the amount was to be used, among other things, to purchase ventilators and caring for migrant workers. I, Shalini Singh, will come with you tomorrow with latest updated news. Stay tuned with us. Thank you.